On this video, I'll show you a set of exercises that take 20 to 30 minutes and will help you start swimming like this. By the end of the video, you'll know how to do at least one stroke that looks and feels like these ones. This video has 5 parts. This 100 meters freestyle swimming demonstration, 5 key points of the theory of this freestyle swimming technique, 5 common problems when trying to swim like this, exercises to help you swim smoother in 5 steps, and a giveaway. Theory. Basics. There are many ways to swim freestyle or front crawl. This technique is efficient and moderately fast. I did a total of 50 strokes in 100 meters in 1 minute and 5 seconds. From now on, we will call it aero freestyle. The key of the technique is that there are not a lot of extra movements. The only movements there are optimized to help you move forward. It's almost catch-up swim. Catch-up is a popular drill used by coaches to help swimmers glide and make their body longer. The kick is a 2-beat kick, which means 1 kick per stroke. It helps save up energy since the legs have big muscles that use a lot of energy and oxygen. Advantages and disadvantages of the aero technique. This is by no means the fastest way to swim. But when you perfect it, it can be pretty fast. Once you start swimming and practicing with this aero freestyle technique, you can build up a lot of endurance and you'll be able to swim long distances at a constant pace. That's why this technique is often used by open water swimmers and long distance pool swimmers in the middle part of their swim. It may seem easy to swim like this, but it does take a lot of effort, especially if you're not used to it. 5 key points. The legs need to be synchronized with the arms. You kick down with your right leg at the same time that your right arm is pulling. The body needs to be as horizontal as possible. Your legs need to be very straight. Your breathing needs to be quick. Breathe faster than me for optimal results. Your arm should always wait for the opposite arm to almost finish before it starts moving, especially when you're breathing. Since your arms are producing most of the forward movement, they should be very efficient, meaning high elbow, vertical forearm as soon as possible, using the rotation to pull with bigger muscles, and having Barbie hands. Common problems. You should expect 5 things to be your main obstacles. First, legs kicking fast instead of a 2-beat kick. Second, splashing water instead of smooth swimming. Third, not enough glide. Fourth, balancing problems, difficulty maintaining a horizontal position. Fifth, kick and pull not synchronized. Exercises to help you fix it. 1 stroke at a time. If I told you to swim at this pace with this technique and you have never done it, you would probably think that I am asking too much. But if instead I ask you to spend 20 to 30 minutes trying to do just 1 stroke that looked and felt like this, you'd probably be up for the challenge. So let's do that. 1 aero stroke. Why only 1 stroke? Many coaches try to correct technique while swimmers are at full speed, swimming many laps. This is probably the worst time to try and correct technique since you're tired, focused on other things, and probably in autopilot. At least in the beginning of changing your technique or trying out a new one, we believe that you need to slow things down and break things up into manageable pieces. Then build your